As the festive season is around the corner, the Union Health Ministry on Tuesday issued detailed guidelines for celebrations amid the coronavirus pandemic. Although the COVID-19 curve in India appears to be bending downwards, the ground situation is still delicate in several states. As a result, the Health Ministry has strictly prohibited festive events in areas that fall under containment zones. The ministry has also advised people residing in such areas to observe festivals inside their homes and not move out. While visiting these event locations, wearing face masks and maintaining 6 feet distances must at all times to prevent any chances of transmitting the viral disease. Union Health Ministry issues SOPs on preventive measures to contain spread of COVID-19 during festivities. Festive events permitted only outside containment zones. People residing in containment zones may be encouraged to observe festivals inside their homes and not move out. SOPs given by government are as follows. 1. Amid social distancing in mind, the Home Ministry urged organizers to maintain spatial boundaries and prepare a detailed site plan that complies with thermal screening, 6 feet physical distancing, sanitization etc. 2. Events should be planned in a way that crowds are regulated, especially on auspicious days which tend to attract maximum population. 3. In processions and rallies, crowds should exceed the permitted number. Wearing masks and maintaining social distance is a must. 4. Exhibitions, fairs, puja pandals, Rama Leela pandals or concerts in place that last for many days should ensure cap on physical numbers, staggered timings and restricted entry. 5. Respiratory etiquettes to be strictly followed by every individual. Spitting strictly prohibited. 6. Self-monitoring of health by all and reporting any illness at the earliest to state and district helpline. 7. Necessary arrangements for personal protection gears like face covers, masks, hand sanitizers, soap, sodium hypochlorite solution for sanitizing frequently touched surfaces etc. shall be made available by event organizers, business owners to their staff as per requirements. 8. Preferably multiple and separate entries and exits for visitors shall be ensured. Entry points should have mandatory hand hygiene and thermal screening provisions. 9. Contactless payment should be promoted. 10. Posters, standees, AV media on preventive measures from COVID-19 should be displayed prominently at the event sites. 11. As far as possible, recorded devotional music, songs may be played and choir or singing groups should not be allowed in religious places. 12. Arrangements for safe drinking water, if required, should be made preferably with provision for disposable cups, glasses in the event premises. 13. Disinfection of the premises to be taken up if the person is found positive. 14. For air conditioning, ventilation, the temperature setting of all air conditioning devices should be in the range of 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. 15. All events must plan for medical care arrangements with linkages to nearest hospitals to attend to health emergencies.